To achieve an ideal extraction or brew, some coffees require a wider grind range. A powerful feature of the Smart Grinder Pro is the ability to extend the grind range with an adjustable upper burr. Friendly tip, this is for the advanced coffee enthusiasts. Here's how to adjust it on your machine. First, unlock the bean hopper. Next, hold the hopper over an empty airtight container and turn the dial to release the beans into it. Now, align the bean hopper into position again and press the Start button to run the grinder until it's empty. You can now remove the hopper and gently pull out the upper burr by lifting the wire handles and rotating counterclockwise. Remove the wire handle from both sides of the burr, which you can also clean at this time with the included brush. You'll see that the default setting is 6. To adjust for coarser or finer grind, move the adjustable top burr. Then align the number with the handle opening, like this. Reinsert the wire handle on both sides of the burr and push the upper burr firmly back into position. Then, rotate it clockwise to lock it in place. If it's not locked, it won't grind. If the upper burr does not align, this may be due to ground beans residue, in which case you should clean the excess grinds with a vacuum cleaner. Then align the hopper back into position and turn it clockwise to lock. We also recommend grinding a dose and checking your extraction by brewing a shot. Ah, perfect. Just the way I like it.